Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management. Let's tap on it. And now on this right section, on the third position, we've got date and time, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got actually 3 different options which we can customize. So for example, not for example, first of all, you can see that we are using automatic date, time and time zone, which is probably provided by the network. So if you want to set the date and time manually, you have to turn off both of those options. And as you can see, we've got the date, time and time zone option. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, you'll see this calendar, and all you have to do is to simply find the date you'd like to set. So I don't know, maybe this one. Okay, let's tap on done, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. Here, just by swiping, you can pick the time you want to use. So let me pick something like that. Tap on done, and as you can see, it is also immediately changed. It will also appear immediately on the status bar. We can change the time zone also. Let's tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Okay, and as you can see, it has been set, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I've set 5 o'clock, and right now we've got 4, almost 5, but still it is not the time we've set. Here we've got the clock format, so you can decide if you want to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. So right now we are using 12-hour format, but if you'd like to use 24-hour, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied also. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. And of course, if you'd like to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to just tap on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and here to use automatic date and time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.